Now the topic is AC through capacitor. When the generator which gives AC EMF to the capacitor, how much current passing through it and what is the phase difference between AC current and AC EMF when the generator is connected to capacitor. That we will discuss in this article. From the definition of capacity, how we can write C is equal to Q by E. What is E? E0 sin omega t. Take this here, so becomes Q is equal to C E0 sin omega t. Differentiate on both sides with respect to t. dq by dt, d by dt into of this. C capacity is constant, E0 is a constant, take outside, d by dt into sin omega t. Sin omega t is equal to how much? Cos omega t into omega. Sin omega, differentiation of sin omega t with respect to t how much? Cos omega t, differentiate with respect to t, that's why omega we can take. So what we can get? I is equal to omega c E0 cos omega t. So E0 by 1 by omega c we can write here cos omega t. 1 by omega c here taken as xc. xc is equal to 1 by omega c, it is called capacitive reactance. Now what is xc? 1 by omega c, omega is equal to 2 pi n c. And before this topic we are studied AC through inductor. AC through inductor we get inductive reactance. XL is equal to omega L, but here it is capacitor, capacitive reactance XC is equal to 1 by omega c. These two are very very important in this chapter for 2 marks. Write the equation for inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Inductive reactance is XL is equal to omega L. Capacitive reactance XC is equal to 1 by omega c. Okay. I is equal to E0 by XC cos omega t, that I am taken here. We can write cos omega t is sin 90 plus or pi by 2 plus omega t. Sin omega t plus sin pi by 2 plus omega t is cos omega t. Means we can convert these cos omega t's in this form and change. It is a plus. That's why you can change. Then after E0 by xc sin omega t plus pi by 2. E0 by xc is taken as I0. I0 is equal to E0 by xc. What is the value of xc? 1 by omega c. Okay. When the current is, when generator is connected to the capacitor, how much current passing through the capacitor? The current through the capacitor when generator is connected is I is equal to I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. Sin omega t plus pi by 2. Here what happened? The current is in advance of 90 degrees compared to the EMF. Now let us take a phase diagram. This is for AC EMF, but AC current starts from here. It is 0, it is 90, but it is in advance, it is plus is there. In the last class starts from here, it is minus, but here it is plus. The phase of AC current is in advance. Of 90 degrees compared to ACMF, but peak value of AC current, is less than the peak value of AC EMF. Now, when generator is connected to the resistor, the phase of ACMF and phase of AC current is 0. Both are lies in the same phase. But generator is connected to the inductor. The current phase is behind 90 degrees to the ACMF. For inductor, current is behind. For capacitor, the current is in advance of 90 degrees. Inductor, current is behind 90 degrees. Capacitor, current is advance of 90 degrees. But the generator is connected to resistor, inductor and capacitor. The peak values of current is always less than. The peak values are always less than, but the phases are different. For resistor, 0. For inductor, behind 90 degrees. Capacitor, advance of 90 degrees. This is about when generator is connected to the resistor, inductor and capacitor.